Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called iOS Launcher. From Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now hit Get Started at the bottom. Select I agree to terms and conditions and then hit Continue. Now select Continue again. Click on while using the app in the pop-up and allow in the other ones. Finally, you can close an ad and then adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, click on Set as Default at the top and switch your Poco Launcher to iOS one by choosing the iOS Launcher at the top. As you can see, after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to switch between your launchers, you can always do that by going back to Launcher app, clicking on Set as Default at the top, and hitting Poco Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!